greatest horror show on Earth isn't created by humans, it's created by nature. Imagine fire turning into a tornado, ice crashing into homes like a tsunami, and walls of dust swallowing entire cities. Today, we reveal 15 terrifying disasters caught on camera that prove how small humans really are in front of nature's fury. 1. Fire tornado, Carr Fire, California, 2018. A fire whirl, or firenado, produced winds up to 143 miles per hour, tearing through buildings and trees. The footage looks like a spinning inferno straight out of a nightmare. 2. Fire tornado warning, Loyalton Fire, California, 2020. A lightning-sparked wildfire created 3 fire tornadoes, prompting the first-ever official fire tornado warning. Videos captured massive swirling fire columns in the sky.
Yep,
Oh, shit.
Three. Dust Devil Swarm, Arizona, 2025. Drones and CCTV filmed multiple dust devils rising across the desert. Giant spinning columns of dust twisting like miniature tornadoes.
That is the biggest one I have ever seen.
Four. Huge Dust Devil, Casa Grande, Arizona, 2025. On Easter Sunday, drivers recorded an enormous daylight dust devil towering above the desert. Footage that looks especially dramatic. 5. Dust Devil Up Close.
Coming this way.
Arizona storm chasers captured ruthless footage from inside a dust devil itself, offering a rare, direct camera angle of the swirling chaos. 6. Haboob Swallowing, ASU Stadium, Arizona, 2025. A time-lapse shows a massive haboob dust storm swallowing an entire stadium. Day suddenly turned to night as the city disappeared in darkness.
Chris Fraley, Becca, Haley, Jim Chang is here somewhere. We gotta get in the...
7. Pyrocumulonimbus Cloud, Mosquito Fire, California, 2022. The fire generated an ash cloud that rose 41,000 feet into the atmosphere. NOAA radar and eyewitness footage reveal a towering pyrocumulonimbus storm. 8. Methane Explosion Crater, Siberia, 2014. A drone captured the aftermath of a massive methane blast, an enormous crater suddenly opening in the frozen earth. 9. Rockfall Collapse. Yosemite tourists recorded massive rocks crashing down a cliff face, releasing clouds of dust that looked like a tsunami of stone.
Dude, it went across the road. Across the road. Unbelievable. Holy crap. Holy crap. This could have killed people on the road. Oh my gosh. I pray for more lost souls.
10. Aurora Storm with Solar Flare, Norway. A solar flare intensified the northern lights, transforming them into an electric storm of surreal colors across the night sky. (11) Fire-generated tornadic vortex. Mosquito fire, California. With updrafts over 30 meters per second, the fire spawned a vortex equal in strength to an EF1 tornado, captured both on video and radar. (12) Haboob. Engulfing a city, social media footage shows entire city streets swallowed in darkness as a giant dust storm rolled in like a solid wall. (13) Massive fire cloud. Eyjafjallajökull eruption. Iceland, 2010. The volcanic eruption sent an ash cloud across Europe, grounding flights and filling the sky with cinematic, apocalyptic visuals. Geyser eruption, Strákur, Iceland. Tourists caught on video a sudden water jet blasting 30 meters high, an explosive burst of raw geothermal power. (15) Iceberg collapse. Greenland documentary cameras captured the dramatic break-off of a massive iceberg, sending waves crashing across the ocean. A terrifying yet poetic sight. These shocking moments remind us of one truth. No matter how advanced we become, nature is always more powerful. One strike, one storm, one eruption, and everything can vanish in seconds.